morning, everyone. So my name is Yumi, and this is welcome to the first class of a real life project. So you're working with a real company to design and figure out real solutions for a problem that they're facing, and that's pretty cool. So this isn't like a test project. This is like a real project that you're on. What if for the next 9 weeks we are a design company? I'm your creative director. You're a design team, and we're going to come up with a design solution for ThanksBox.
So finding that hook that's doing what you love as a designer and doing it sustainably and doing it ethically and doing great work for clients.
See, I think people think design is like art and like sketching and how good I am at choosing colors, how good I am at, putting a web page together. But design is actually a way of thinking to create an end solution. And it doesn't have to look a particular way.
How many of you have ever done any kind of ethnographic interviewing? Ever?
A little bit.
Cool. So we're going to say, so Beth's running this project. No, I'm going to make you do that.
So when you're creating any kind of solution, you want to share with your client the approach that you're going to take. Yeah? So it's basically like a plan. But in our field we call it an approach. So our approach was to engage with key stakeholders and the project team to understand the goals and expectations and constraints, conduct contextual observational research. What this means was we really just sat with them and observed how they worked, where they clicked, what they did, how they felt during a customer service call, and then we did one-on-one interviews with them. So they're 2 different methodologies of finding information. So think of it as 3 siblings, but this is a sweet spot. When the business, the customer, and technology all work together, create that amazing product that delights, adds value, and brings joy to the world.
From a guy called Jared Spool, who, if you know UX design at all, we'll hear his name more and more. Jared is a genius. He's a cranky genius, but he's a genius. He made a quote last year, one of his talks here at the conference, is that there's no such thing as outliers. All they are is where you stop caring. Yeah, clients love hearing what they want to hear. Of course they do, because you're telling them that they're awesome and their thing works. And then if you go away and you do a piece of research and you discover there's a whole group of people who don't use their thing because they hate it for some reason, they need to hear that as well. But you can craft that in a way that's actually useful to them rather than a slap in the face.
There's market research and there's UX research, and those lines are really starting to kind of almost intertwine and cross. They're starting to get less and less separated because really now it's starting to become more exactly about that customer experience. And especially when we go out and do research, we're not just researching the flow. We need to understand the customer, what they want, and that can really help with marketing insights and how you go to market and the type of messaging you use. And so that line is they're really starting to cross over. And I probably think in the next 10 years you'll see those roles come a lot closer together.
To quote my friend Cara, I'm more interested I'm more interested in you being 9 out of 10 passion, 5 out of 10 skills, than I am in you being 9 out of 10 skills, 5 out of 10 passion.